How can I make money by not doing anything? That's the question many of us have been asking for years, maybe our whole lives. I can't imagine how difficult it would be to go to a job you despise every day. Sharing a train or automobile with other miserable people who loathe their employment is a surefire method to increase your own level of misery. You're looking for an easy solution, a simple task. A lot of people mistake your relaxed attitude for laziness. Want to take it easy and make money from home? This video displays a selection of such examples. Number 1. Sell pictures. This could be one of the easiest ways to make money online. And it's perfect for people who don't want to do much work. If you know how to use a camera well, that's a plus. You may have already taken a lot of pictures with your phone, so why not turn it into a hobby that lets you make money? You can actually post your photos to websites that will pay you for them. This is called having power. Getting a good camera is one way to make a lot of money with this low-stress job. Start taking photos of nature and scenery and putting them on websites that sell stock photos. You can sign up to be a contributor and you can upload your work whenever you want. Here are some good places to start making money with photos: Shutterstock, Getty Images, SmugMug, iStock Photos, Deposit Photos, Photos. Number 2. Watch videos. Want to know how to quickly make money online? Of course, by watching videos. I love watching videos on YouTube, especially ones with funny animals in them. If you like to do something fun in your free time, you might as well get paid for it. The easiest way to make money while being lazy is probably to watch videos online for money. There are several websites that will pay you to do this fun and easy task. Inbox dollars. You can make money on this site by watching videos that look like ads. You can sign up for free and do things like answer questions, vote in polls, and fill out surveys. My Points. This site has been giving out rewards for a long time. You can make money by watching videos, playing games, and filling out surveys. Cashkick. Cashkick is another easy way to make money by watching short videos and doing some other small tasks. Number 3. Get paid for browsing online. Do you want to make more money doing something you do every day? This is a real way to make money, even though it might sound too good to be true. QMe is an app that gives you rewards for using sites like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and Amazon. Add the extension to your browser and start searching to make it work. When you do a search online, you'll see that there are different links that come up. Something like paid links, getting a reward if you click on it. Just like that. You can get paid directly to your PayPal account and there is no minimum amount. More ways to surf and make money: Inbox dollars, Swagbucks, Nielsen Computer, and Mobile Panel. Number 4. Voice your opinion. Would you like to get paid just for what you think? You can get paid to tell a company how well their products work. This way, it can be made better by making changes. Most of this is market research, and all you have to do is do a survey or give a detailed review. Answering questions can take as little as 5 to 20 minutes, and each review can earn you up to $50 or more. So, you can see that if you sign up with a few companies and do a lot of reviews, the money can quickly add up. Would you like to start by telling people what you think online? Here are some good starting points: Buzz, Survey Voices, Opinion In, Opinion Poll, Opinion Surveys, Opinion Network, Opinion Bar, Opinion Champ. Number 5. Make money by typing. Do you know how to type well? You can make money online by doing typing jobs. All you need is a laptop, a decent typing speed, and access to the internet. Most typing jobs don't require you to have any kind of education or certification to get started. Most of these jobs are flexible and let you set your own hours if you do them online. Even though most of these jobs do require you to type quickly, you can find ways to improve your typing speed online. Use sites like Typing Test to play fun games that will help you improve your typing skills. Want some easy ways to make money by typing? Make lazy income by typing captchas with virtual bees. Create subtitles with Rev. Type written text with GoTranscript. Do fast typing tasks with Fiverr. Number 6. Get paid to sleep. Let's be honest. You need to get some rest, we all do. By taking part in sleep trials, you can take the phrase "make money while you sleep" to the next level. Millions of people have trouble sleeping for one reason or another. Researchers do studies called sleep trials to find out why. In order to find the best ways to treat sleep problems, these clinical trials need real people to take part. As one of these sleepers, all you have to do is sleep, and you can make a small amount of money. Researchers usually look for people in a certain age range, weight range, or gender. I highly recommend this side job to people who like to rest a lot. Number 7. Make money walking. Using an app like Sweatcoin, which gives you PayPal credits for doing simple things like walking, you can get paid to walk. They will give the information to healthcare providers who need it for their research. Achievement is another app that will pay you to walk. You can swim, ride a bike, run, and of course, walk when you use this app. Then you'll write down what you did in the app, which will give you points. When you reach a certain number of points, they will give you cash. Number 8. Walk dogs. If you like animals but are lazy, walking them might not seem like a hard thing to do. Rover is a company that will pay you to take dogs for walks in your area. For a short walk, you can make as much as $20, and some people make around $1,000 a month from this side job. Number 9. Become a binge watcher. This is the perfect job for people who don't want to work hard. Have you looked through Netflix by genre? Doesn't it make it easier to find shows you want to watch? That's what people who tag on Netflix do. An editorial analyst, who is a professional binge watcher, will watch shows and put them in the right categories. You can watch movies, documentaries, and TV shows all day long and put them in the right order. If you like putting things into groups and having fun, this might be for you. If you just want to watch videos and get paid for it, you can do it for free on Zoombucks, Branded Surveys, Price Rebel. Number 10. Test games. You might be wondering if getting paid to test games is really possible. If you really like playing video games, you can. Beta testers are hired by companies to check games for bugs and other problems before they're released to the public. Things that beta testers will look for are functionality, regression load, freezing, crashing, visual distortions. You can expect to make about $54,000 a year as a full-time beta tester. This is for people who test products for companies like Sony, Apple, Sony Capcom, and others. That's all for today. If you want to learn even more ways to make money online, then subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. And then click here to watch this next video to discover even more ways for you to make money online. See you in the next video.